Hi, today is Sunday, July 19th, 2026, and here is our phone stand or flower stand for today. Thank you for the good advice. Many of you last week said to add more flowers to wrap my jar in paper. So I want to thank you for the good advice. I appreciate it. Keep giving me feedback. And please subscribe and join me on this journey. Let me know what else I can do to up my bouquets, because you know I'm learning. Thank you so much to everyone. Martha, Zone 10, Monterey Bay. I really appreciate you all. Have a great Sunday. Bye.